Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet this beautiful yarn basket, and you can use this basket for holding different types of accessories like your daily use products, and you can also use it as yarn basket. This is a very beautiful basket which is made with very thick yarn. So I hope you would like the tutorial. So let's get started. So I am using a plastic crochet hook which is of 8mm size. I have got these 5 pieces from Daraz and this is the smallest one. So the yarn which I am using is mostly of silk material and it is a very thin yarn. I don't have t-shirt yarn, so I would make this basket with this yarn. So now first of all, wrap the yarn around the first 2 fingers to make a magic ring, and then we would start working with the help of crochet hook. So make chain 1 and then chain 2, and these 2 chains will not be count as any stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the magic ring and draw a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, so pull the yarn through all 3 loops together. This is our first half double crochet stitch. Now again wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the ring and draw a loop, and then pull the yarn through all 3 loops together. So this is our second half double crochet stitch. Now again make a half double crochet stitch, which is the third one, into the magic ring. Make half double crochet 4, half double crochet 5, half double crochet 6, half double crochet 7, and then the last one is half double crochet 8. You can also make single crochet stitches. For the single crochet, make 6 single crochet in the first round. Now close the magic ring by pulling the starting yarn end, and then make a slip knot into the second double crochet stitch. So make a slip stitch into the second double crochet stitch, then make chain 1 and chain 2 again, and make half double crochet stitch into the very first half double crochet stitch of the first round. This is half double crochet 1. Now again make a half double crochet into the same half double crochet stitch, and this is half double crochet 2. Now into the next one, make half double crochet 1, and then again make half double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Again into the next one, make half double crochet 1 and then half double crochet 2 into the same stitch, and in this way we would make 2 half double crochet stitches in each and every half double crochet stitch of the next round. So complete the second round in the same way. I have made all half double crochet stitches. Now make a slip stitch into the second chain This color is a little bit dark, so focus on voice. Make 2 chains again and make a half double crochet in the first half double crochet stitch of second round. Then into the next one we would do 2 half double crochet stitches. So make half double crochet 1 and then half double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now into the next one make 1 half double crochet and into the next one make 2 half double crochets, half double crochet 1 and then half double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So in this way we would increase after 1 stitch in this third round. These increases are very similar to a circle increase pattern in which one round is simple, in second we would do increase in every stitch, and in third one we would do increase after 1. So complete this round and make a slip stitch into the second chain. For the fourth one again we would do an increase in the same circle pattern, make 2 chains and we would make half double crochet stitches in the next 2 half double crochet stitches, and then we would increase into the third one. So make a half double crochet in the first half double crochet stitch, make 1 half double crochet in the next second half double crochet stitch, and into the third one do an increase. So make half double crochet 1 and then half double crochet 2 into the same stitch, then make half double crochet next stitch, a half double crochet in the next stitch, and again into the third one make 2 half double crochet stitches in the same stitch. So this is half double crochet 1 and then half double crochet 2 in the same stitch. So in this way do an increase after every 2 stitches and make an increase in the third one and complete this round till the end by repeating the process. So I have completed this round. So make a slip stitch into the second chain again and move on to the fifth round, make 2 chains and make a half double crochet stitch in the very first stitch of previous round, make a half double crochet in the next stitch, make a half double crochet in the next stitch again, and then in the next one we would do an increase. So make half double crochet 1 and then half double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So again in the next 3 stitches make half double crochet 1 time, half double crochet 1 in the next, half double crochet 2 in the next, half double crochet 3 in the next, and then into the fourth one do an increase again. So make half double crochet 1 and then half double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So in this way complete this fifth round by increasing in every fourth stitch. So I have completed my fifth round. Now make a slip stitch into the second chain and finish this fifth round. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2 again, and then into the very first half double crochet stitch make a half double crochet, then make a half double crochet in the next stitch, make half double crochet in the next stitch, make a half double crochet in the next one again, now in the next one make half double crochet 1 and half double crochet 2 into the same stitch, so now do an increase after every 4 stitches, and into the fifth one make 2 half double crochet stitches and complete this round. So I have completed this round. Now make a slip stitch into the second chain. Now the sixth round is also completed. So now you can increase the round or you can decrease the round also to make the basket in bigger or smaller size by increasing in respective way. So now make a slip stitch in the back stitch also. So now we would work in this stitch from back side and it will be back post working, and we would do a single crochet line. So first of all make a single crochet, make a chain 1 and then we would make a single crochet. So go at the back side of this stitch and draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops, go into the next stitch. So this is basically back post working. Make a single crochet into the next stitch again. So again into the next stitch go and make a single crochet, then into the next one again make a single crochet by going through back side stitch and then go into the front one again and draw a loop and make a single crochet. So in this way we would complete this round by making single crochet stitches at the back rows every time, and do it in every half double crochet stitch and complete this round. So I have made all over single crochet stitches. Our last single crochet stitch would be in this chain 2 space. So make a single crochet into this chain 2 space, and this is our last single crochet stitch. Now make slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch, first chain, we would make a slip stitch into this first chain which we have made in the starting of this round. So now single crochet line is done. Now we would make half double crochet rounds. For that purpose make 2 chains again, chain 1 and then chain 2 and make a half double crochet stitch into this very first single crochet stitch, Then make a half double crochet in the next single crochet stitch. Again make a half double crochet in the next single crochet stitch. So in this way, make half double crochet stitches in every single crochet stitch, and in the same way we would make rows. You can make rows according to your measurement. You can increase or decrease the row according to your size which you want to make. You can make bigger size and you can make smaller size also. So complete this round and make a few more rounds with the same pattern. So make slip stitch into. So now I have made 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Total 5 half double crochet rounds. So now the basket is ready. We would finish it by making a single crochet line all around the basket. So make chain 1 and into this very first half double crochet stitch make a single crochet. Now make a single crochet into the next half double crochet stitch, then make a single crochet into the next half double crochet stitch, then in the next one. So in this way make single crochet in every half double crochet stitch across till the end of this round, and then our basket would be ready. So do it till the end. So now I have made single crochet stitches in every half double crochet stitch. Now pull this yarn, cut it with the help of a scissor and remove the extra yarn strand, and now go into the first single crochet stitch and pull this yarn at the back side of basket, and then go into the back loop of our last single crochet stitch of this round and then pull this yarn at the back side. Now weave this yarn end inside this single crochet stitches. Now the basket is ready. So this is our basket which you can use for different purposes, and this is a very beautiful basket and you can use it in bigger or smaller sizes also. Just increase from base side and decrease if you want in smaller or bigger sizes. So if you like it, give it huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.